guys, welcome back to Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq. And today's recipe is a very special recipe. It's a sweet. So I'll tell you how to make cake. It's a cake and it's not made with sugar, it's made with jaggery. Most of us are now learning that sugar is bad. It gives lot of side effects like obesity, thyroid and etc. So let's see how to make the cake. To make chocolate cake, these are the ingredients: 2 bowls of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder. These are the dry ingredients. We have to take the same quantity of the wheat flour, the jaggery. 2 bowls of jaggery, half teaspoon essence, vanilla essence. And now I am taking a cup of butter, that is 80 gram of butter. Now we have to mix it till it becomes like a cream. So here I am mixing it and I will show you how to mix it. I am also having thick buttermilk, that is half cup. I am adding the buttermilk little by little so that it gets mixed well. And now I am mixing it. Let it become into a thick cream. I am using a hand whisk. If you have a beater, you can use it, electric beater. When the butter and jaggery gets mixed well, it becomes into a cream. Now you can see a little difference. I'll show you fully when it is creamy. See, now it's fully creamy. Here I am adding half teaspoon of coffee powder so that the cake is more tasty. If you don't like coffee powder, no need to add. Now I am adding 40 ml milk, but I am adding only half of the milk, that is 20 ml. Creamy it is. Now we can add the dry ingredients little by little, as I have shown in the video. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment and share. And if you want more videos, also press the bell icon to get notification when I upload a new video. See how I am mixing it. You have to use the whisk only in one side, don't rotate it to the opposite side. See, I am using the whisk only in the same side, in the same wise you can mix it. The cake batter is mixed and now I am preheating the cooker because I am using a cooker with a little bit of sand. I don't use oven. Now I will brush some oil or ghee. Here today I am using ghee. Then now we can pour the batter into it. Because it's sweet, no need to be, the cake batter need not be that much watery, it can be thick. Then you beat it, dash it well so that the air bubbles don't remain. And now put cashew nuts or whatever you like, kismis, anything. Now keep it in the cooker for 45 minutes. See, I have not used the gasket. You need not use the gasket, only use the whistle. Now it's 45 minutes and we'll check whether the cake is baked. And see, it's baked. Now the cake is ready. Let it cool. The cake is cool and I am turning it to a plate. See how easily it came off. And now I'll cut the cake and show you the piece. Hey guys, you too try this recipe at your home and let me know your comments in the comment box. So I hope so you love this cake. See, the cake is so perfect, so tasty. You can give it to kids how much they want because it has no sugar, it's jaggery.